He's bullying.
Be ready.
He's bullying. Y'all been back there and tweaked it up? Was you back there when they?
No, I don't know. Something's wrong with the car.
You don't know what's wrong with it? Oh, okay. I thought they'd probably fixed it.
You tell it, fella. I know where I came from, but we gonna run damn so running one day.
What truck is that right there? Oh, that's that Buckhead's truck. That's that supercharged.
I thought you guys were updating your Facebook page or something while you were doing that, but
oh, this truck.
He takes a picture of the three lights.
Yeah,
and goes,
exactly.
Whoa, I thought it was standard tree, guys. Check this shit out.
Y'all finna run it back?
Hold on, I gotta do
Hold
this
on,
race
put this
real
down.
fast.
I talked to Funky Town over there. He said that's what y'all supposed to do. He said in the rules y'all supposed to run it back. Nobody supposed to get paid.
Yeah, no one agreed on it, so
Okay.
it happens, bro.
Yeah, it's just a misunderstanding. I'm glad. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
440. Yeah,
So we finna see some. We finna see.
I'm gonna be in front of the car.
Consumo.
Don't do it.
I really want to be a bully. Be like, better got to, ho.
Consumo. Consumo.
Motherfucker.
They said that's how you say intake in Spanish. Consumo. What's up? I've been missing a couple messages.
Let him be known right back behind.
What's up with it?
Picture my right with my wife.
Huh?
Flying a little left.
You better not.
Put me on the wrong wife on the trip. She wants you know where I've been.
Oh, okay.
Well, she'll say, well, I ain't see you on you look out right.
Oh, that how she be doing?
I want you there. You ain't gonna do that. You be gone.
What? I heard that washing machine back there, y'all.
Got that lookout racing on you.
Let me see. Yeah.
Along with that Mandela Negro.
Where? Oh, okay. I see you. I see you, Modelo.
I'm having fun. Rise the egg.
Okay. Let me see. They finna. I gotta go.
What you really gonna do?
Man, I kind of want a taco. Already. I kind of want a taco, man. I'm waiting on a race or something. This the time to get everything out the way. This the time to get everything out the way. Hey, y'all, I got my last party in today, man. My last part. Huh? God damn. Go on back time and a hit. Couldn't get him there. Let me see. I don't know. We'll be able to know if he here once we get around this gate because he parked over here.
Man, same.
Huh?
It's a long motherfucker.
The walk now?
Yeah, when they open up this one.
I don't know what's the plan for this piece right here. I don't know. I'm famous on woodwork. Consumo. Scott said he need one of them lookout racing stickers. Okay. My boy, he say he finna make some more. So I'm finna get ready to get them new ones made. What's up, man?
Hey, what's up?
Look, nothing much. Trying to look at. Hey, man, what you eating there? Give me some fruit snacks, man. I'll take the rest of them. Give me the rest of them. All right, give me 4 of them, then. All right. Hey, I'm dying good still.
Need more money back, boy.
Lois parked somewhere. Yeah, he gone.
Low took his ass home. It take it too long.
Man, them niggas ain't gonna race, man. I ain't tried this dude potato. They said it was good. Damn, somebody burn out. Oh, that's probably old boy. Let me see. Oh, that's him. Yeah, he said baked potatoes. Hey. Hold on, let me get through here. Make sure I catch him doing. Yeah, security, give me one of them too, man. Hey! Look out! Ah! Ah! Trying to see something. Look out. Man, they ain't bringing none today. Consumo di motor. They say that's how you, I got it in the garage. They got a new problem. I just got my last part for the Mustang, so I can now install them parts and then I can get a tune.
You gonna bring that out right here with?
Yeah. I want to race that yellow. Yeah, I want to race my. I need to be able to beat this car right here. I need to be able to drive to the track and try this car. No full pass. No full pass. Bet 5. No full pass. 5. No, I say no. You say yeah? Okay, no full pass. Bet 5. All right. Bet 10. All right. He ain't gonna make. Hey, no full pass. Anybody else? Okay, I got y'all ass. Y'all better pay attention. Hey, mira. Y'all better mira. All right.